Welcome. In front of me is a VIVO Y35 and today I'll show you how you can apply a tempered glass to your phone. Now, probably if you already have a keen eye, you realize that this is for Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra. Now the little caveat here is basically any device that has a display of about 6.5 inches. I can utilize this display, or not display, but this tempered glass, and it will perfectly fit on basically any kind of phone like that. And as you can see, this is one of those devices. Now the difference here is when it comes down to like tempered glass that isn't necessarily designed for this phone, is the glass that is for this phone most likely will have this cutout for the camera, the same way that the plastic protection is applied here has this cutout. This one does not have such a thing, but honestly I don't really care, and this will work for me. It's what I have plethora of. Now along with the tempered glass in this little package, you should have foam, you can throw that out, and this, a wet and dry wipe. Now depending on how long this has been laying on a store shelf, the wet wipe might be actually just dry, making this completely useless. And in general, these wipes are kind of useless to begin with, even if they're moist, just because, let me just kind of show you the size of this. Like, it's got to be the world's smallest cloth you probably see. I'm putting it on the display, you can see how big it is. So that's one problem, the size of this, and number two, the solution, at least that they use in this case, this manufacturer, so whatever this is, has some kind of weird solution on there that just creates smudges, and it annoys the heck out of me. So I myself prefer to use a microfiber cloth, which is a great alternative, at least to me. If you have one, you can completely use that, it's gonna work just fine. But if you don't, I guess you can rely on these little wipes that you got. Now, when it comes down to applying the tempered glass, because that's what I'm going to show you first before I start cleaning the display, because I will most likely smudge it up anyway, so I'll need to clean it twice. So to show you how I apply the glass is, once I peel off the number 1, which in most cases you will have number 1, you also might have number 2. If that is the case, 2 is for later. So you first peel off number 1, so kind of like this, and whatever you peel off with this 1 is what you throw away, and then you're left with the tempered glass with a sticky side right here. And you then just grab it. I hold it on the bezels, obviously, as you should. You don't want to touch the sticky side, it might just mess it up. So I hold it by the bezels, and then I start off by applying it at an angle like this, just not as drastic of an angle. And I make sure that it's aligned correctly at the top right and top left corner. If I have some kind of cutout for the camera, I will start off with prioritizing that, so it's evenly spread. And then while pinching it, obviously, I will try to feel the bezels of the phone, so it allows me to position the actual glass correctly. So as you can see, it just shifts a little bit. So the spacing on the right and left bezel are evenly spread. And then I'll do the same thing by lowering the bottom side of the glass and feeling the bezels, and again positioning them correctly, and then just literally dropping it on the display. And at that point it should either start sticking on its own. If it doesn't, you can just press it down and it should then start sticking. Now let's move over to the cleaning portion of the phone. So I will be obviously using the microfiber cloth just because it's much bigger and nicer to use. And you want to get rid of all the smudges and any kind of trash that might be on your display. Once it's nice and clean, prioritize the dust. You do not want to have almost any kind of dust on here, because any kind of dust particle might create an air bubble depending on how big it is. And obviously air bubbles under the tempered glass are not things that you probably are looking for. So now that my display is nice and clean and some annoying dust settled on it again, there we go, I can now peel off this and go straight to applying it. So starting from the top, there we go. Gonna lower it now from the bottom, and that's it. Now as you can see, it's not sticking just yet, so you'll see that once I press it, it starts spreading. So there we go. Now as you can see, it didn't completely cover right here, here and here, but you can just massage it into place. Now one thing that I'll also point out, once I finish massaging it right up here and here, there we go, you might experience portions that look kind of like this. Whoa, that was close. Like this. So you can see this kind of like weird white stuff. That's where the air bubble was, and that is just compressed air right now. So the glass is trying to stick. After like some time it will come back up and create kind of like an air bubble. So to get rid of this, you could just, using fingernail, lift up the display, as you can see, or not the display, the tempered glass. I'm going to do it a little bit further. And there we go. And as you can see, it just kind of went back, and now these parts are completely gone. So there we go. And as you can see, the glass itself is applied really evenly around all the bezels, and that's basically what you're looking for. So there we go. Now if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.